I didn't realize you're there. Well, that's right. There's something odd about this video. And actually, maybe you have some questions. But let me tell you, right now I'm eating and I'm in my bathroom. Some people might find that gross. But if you have the Harow T38P, it's not gross at all. It's actually one of the cleanest place right now to be. I just love this thing here. This smart toilet from Harow has some of the most incredible features that I've ever come across. I upgraded my not so smart toilet seat to the Harow tankless T38 smart toilet. I'll try to go through some of the features later on in the video, so make sure you like, share, leave a comment, and stay to the end. Now let's talk about installation. Removing the old toilet was a mess. Just like that, magic, our old toilet is gone, and we're about to install the Harow T38 smart toilet. Can we stop a moment to address a couple things? First off, why does toilet have to be so heavy? My gosh, this toilet was so heavy, the old toilet. It took me a while to get that out. There's a couple things to make sure. Make sure you shut off your water line. Just play it safe, just shut the water line off. You don't want any emergencies. And second, make sure you have all the tools, even have extra tools, because you never know what you're gonna meet up. The good thing for this here, I only needed a crescent and a wrench, and that was enough to take the old toilet out. I do not want to do that again. It is a lot of work taking out rusty screws, rusty water line, cleaning that drain. Whew, I do not want to do it. But installing the new Harow T38 is as sweet as they come. All you have to do is ensure your measurements are correct. Make sure that you follow the instructions online to ensure that you have the right center hole for the new T38 toilet that you're gonna get. Once your measurements are okay, you just basically use your existing flange or use the Harow T38 flange. By the way, everything is included. Everything you need for installation is all included in the packaging. Once you get the flange set up, you install the two white hooks to install the new toilet. Basically add the wax ring on the bottom where the drain hole is. Once the wax ring is there, you need two people. Drop it in the center line of the drain, and that's it. That's pretty much the hardest part of the installation. Follow the instruction, hook up the water line and the clean water line to the toilet, and then ensure that you connect your power. Please make sure you have power close by because it could be a real mess. Now that it's all set up, just go ahead and watch the magic happens. And trust me, there's a lot of magic here that's happening. This is now my new best friend. I could spend hours here on this toilet. Probably not a healthy practice. Let's talk about some of the features. One thing you want to make sure you install is the battery backup. This comes in very useful if there's a power outage. You have the battery backup to flush the toilet. So this toilet here comes with a remote. It's the Harow remote. Very simple, minimalist remote that has all the key features. Starting with hot and cold massage, which is pretty fantastic for your bum. You have night light setting. This looks like a beautiful ambient lighting in the night, which gives you that calming feeling if you need to go late in the night. Also nothing harsh for your eyes. Next, we have the nozzle clean. The nozzle clean just makes sure that the drop down bidet is clean and sanitized. Then we have this big circle button here in the middle, which has in the center of it a stop. You have regular flush, you have feminine flush, you have posterior flush, and then you have a dryer. Yes, you have a dryer that dries your bum. This is like going through a car wash, one of those premium ones. Beside that, you have your water temperature, your air temperature, and your seat temperature. Yes, when you sit on this toilet, it's going to provide really warm texture or really warm sensation on your thighs. This here makes you want to sit forever. My wife, who recently used this, she said that after a workout, sitting on the toilet with this seat temperature is like a cold massage or a warm massage. So great. These two arrows up and down basically allows you to adjust the intensity. If you want more, if you want to move the nozzle position up or down, you can control that right here. Or if you want to control the water pressure, there's an up and down button here for the water pressure adjustment. That's it. Really, really cool features on the remote control. But that's not the beauty of this product. The beauty of this product is the intelligence. Basically, it has these motion sensor. When you walk into the room, the seat cover opens up. How cool is that? Now, let's say you don't need the seat cover open up. You need the seat to lift up also. So the cover and the seat. Well, all you gotta do, there's a toe kick at the bottom. Once you hit the toe kick, the seat actually opens up so you can do your business if you're a man. If you're a woman, you just need the seat cover to go up, and that happens automatically as soon as you enter the room. The feature that really stands out is the automatic flushing. Let me tell you about this here. Once you are doing your business and you're done, it actually flushes itself. No need to reach out and get nozzle to flush the toilet. It automatically flushes the toilet. But that's not even the best part. Once it's flushed the toilet, it also cleans the toilet. There's a UV light inside there that cleans the toilet. There's also the foam solution that we poured in earlier that allows you to add this layer of foam around the sides so you don't have any left behind, if you know what I mean. It makes sure that everything that's added to the toilet cleans completely, no stranglers left behind. You know exactly what I mean. And not only that, there is also this sensation, the cleanness in the air. Once everything is completely eliminated, the toilet does have a really nice smell to it. It doesn't smell like someone just exploded. It smells very clean. That's why this is my new best friend. I could hang out here all the time, even eat a piece of bread while I'm in the toilet. It is so clean. So let me tell you, once you have this, this will transform your bathroom experience. I have this in the middle floor, and anyone that comes into the house is totally impressed and blown away. In fact, I think people just come to my home just to use this toilet because it's so cool. It's like having these premium gadgets in your home that really transform your guest experience and your experience. And this is something that it elevates the user experience so you can totally embrace the product and see yourself using the product over and over. There's some other cool stuff I want to show you. So let me give you some close-up of those cool stuff. So over here, you can see the temperature. You can set the temperature whatever you want it to be. It also has an eco mode, which is pretty cool. All right, so right here, you kick once, the seat cover goes up, as you can see. You kick a second time, and the actual seat goes up. That allows you to do your business. And if you're done, you step outside, it actually closes by itself. But if you want to force close it, you just kick once, the seat closes, slowly and gentle, and the cover closes. And everything there is trapped, nothing getting out. How cool is that? And now it flushes. You can actually hear the powerful flush going through the toilet seat. Let me now give you a close-up view of the flushing mechanism. I'm gonna flush the toilet. You'll see water coming through right here, all the way to the sides, and then going down. Nothing leaving behind, everything is completely gone. And now we have the vent there and the blow dryer. And that's the blow dryer that's coming out. Now tell me that's not cool. It is the coolest toilet I've ever used. There's so much to love about this stuff. Let's try to check out the bidet. Right, to avoid a mess, I have a ceramic wrap here. There's the sensor, and I'm going to check out the bidet function. If you want something that does it all, automatic cleaning, massage your butt, hot seat, cold seat, smells amazing, blow dries you, pressure wash you, has a UV cleaning in the toilet so you don't have to touch anything in the toilet, just does it all. The Harow T38 is exactly what you need. This here is a total bathroom solution. And like I said, don't be scared with the installation. It's a breeze. You can install this in a matter of seconds. The hardest part is getting rid of that old toilet to install the new toilet. So hopefully you like this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. There's always some really good deals that Harow has. I have a link here in the description to click on to check out some of those deals. But this must be something that you add to your Christmas list, the Harow T38 or the Harow X70. Hopefully, I'll have an X70 model soon to review. I have 3 bathrooms, so I'm sure I'll get one to add to that bathroom. But hopefully, this here is on your list, the Harow T38.